Hey champions, this is Sabri Suresh. 26th September 1983. A man entered into office in Soviet Union and he sat. And what was in front of him was a missile launch detector. So it would identify if any missile is approaching Soviet Union, and it will detect and tell to the person who's sitting in front of them. So everyone knew that Soviet Union and US was in a Cold War during that time. Suddenly in the system, a warning began to arise. Launch. It was a potential threat that US might have launched a missile to Soviet Union. So he was in a very tense mood. But before realizing what is happening, the system showed the second missile has been launched, the third, fourth, and totally 5 missiles has been launched, and it changed. The warning sign changed from launch to strike. The person who was sitting there, his name was Stanislav Petrov, and the decision that he took saved the world and saved millions of people's life. What did he do? Let's see in the video. So let's get into the video. After World War I and World War II, there was a Cold War between US and Soviet Union from approximately from 1947 to early 1990s. Both the countries were fighting for the supremacy in space, in sports, etc., etc. But one of the biggest strength was military power. So both of them had nuclear explosive with them. So on the fine day I have already mentioned as 26 September 1983, Stanislav Petrov came into the duty to monitor the missile attack launches by US. So while he was sitting, as I already told, that there was about 5 missiles launched, and it changed from launch to strike. So he had now, his job is, according to rules, is to inform the superior about what had happened. But what he did was he asked his support service like satellite radar operators and other IT staffs, and they told that they had no evidence of has been launched. But still the system is showing that the missile has been launched. His job was very simple. His job was to tell the superiors that what he had seen, and they let the superior decide what they have to do the next. But he completely knew that if he had told the truth to the superiors, the Soviet Union would launch a counter-attack of nuclear missile on US. So his biggest problem was that if this is a false alarm, and if Soviet Union had launched a missile attack against US, this would be the beginning of the World War III. And this could destroy the whole world, and it could destroy many lives. So he had to think. He was very anxious, and he had one hand he had an intercom, and in other hand he had a phone. And he informed to the superior that after taking a lot of thinking, he decided and told it was a false alarm. But he was not 100% sure. If this had been a missile attack, then the Soviet Union could have been destroyed. But the time passed by, 20 minutes passed, 30 minutes passed, 1 hour passed, 2 hours passed, nothing happened. So he concluded that he did the right thing. But that was a very brave move, because he was just a small soldier. And he also later told that if any other soldier would have been in place of him, he would have just transferred the thing to the superior, and then missile launch could have happened, and the whole world could have been destroyed by this small act. After the collapse of Soviet Union, one of his superiors wrote about him in a book, after which this came to the world. But the sad thing is that Soviet Union didn't praise him for his activity, because there was a mistake in his writing logbook. which he told that had an intercom in one hand and a phone in other hand, and I was not able to properly write in my logbooks. So he had not received any award from Soviet Union. But this act saved the whole world. And later they found that it was a false alarm due to a solar reflection from clouds, because the system was malfunctioned. Programmers did not do a great job in finding this. So after which the missile radar system has been upgraded to prevent such incidents in the future. He was awarded, the United Nations awarded him President Peace Award, and he was in a documentary called The Man Who Saved the World. So his just a small piece of act has saved the world, and you can say he saved the world by doing the right decision. If he had taken the wrong decision, if the decision was wrong, his country would have been destroyed and world war could have again started. If he had told the information to the superiors about what had happened, then also the world could have been destroyed. So he literally saved us from World War III. So great man. Stanislav Petrov, great. He died at the age of 77 on May 27. What I've learned from the story is that our small actions has not only effect on us but also on our society. So even before doing a single thing, think it twice, thrice, and even 10 times before you're making a decision in your life, because your small decision could change the whole world. I hope you would all like the inspiration story of Stanislav Petrov. Thanks for watching this. I have seen this video in an English channel at Cold Fusion, and they have many good contents. Just visit their channel and support them also. Thanks for watching this video. This is Sabri Suresh.